let's now deep dive into some of the specifics when selecting a manufacturing operations management platform. Single platform. As discussed previously, there's tremendous value in simplifying your technology stack when possible. Simpler maintenance, less licensing, fewer data silos, fewer user interfaces, less integration and complexity, less training, lower cost of deployment are some of the synergies. But there's also synergies in the software infrastructure itself in terms of sharing dashboards, reports, data entry, alerts, and so forth. A quick warning on this item. This does not mean that you should use your ERP system for your MOM functionality. We're talking about grouping MOM functions as possible. Part of the effectiveness of a modern MOM solution is leveraging the out-of-the-box functionality that's already developed by the MOM vendor. MOM vendors develop their out-of-the-box based on best practices collected from many of their different implementations. So consider starting with the out-of-the-box to keep the initial cost of deployment low, which will help increase your ROI for the first phase. Then, given that every business has specific requirements, the platform needs to be extensible to allow development of business-specific metrics and other requirements, in addition to allowing for easier integration into other systems. Make sure the platform is built on modern technology to leverage mobility, enhance security, easier integration. Be cautious of 20 to 30-year-old platforms built from several point solutions put together with a modern front end. This is different than a 20 to 30-year-old solution that was rewritten on a modern platform. The latter is what you're looking for. Make sure to vet out the case studies provided by the MOM vendor. How old are the case studies? Was the ROI achieved? Was the solution accepted by operations? Is it sustainable? Are they expanding the solution? And is the team excited about using the system? And then lastly, when you select an MOM platform for your journey, you're starting a partnership with the MOM vendor. Make sure they are someone you want a long-term relationship with. Make sure they're innovative and have a track record of releasing new functionality, such as digital workflow, algorithmic production scheduling, to name a few, and other advanced functions similar to that.